So we're trying to hike up to the Blanco Christo, and our trail has come to a dead end. Looks like there was a landslide here, wiping out our trail from here up to there. Oh boy. So it looks like we're going to have to walk back down that ways a little ways, find another way to the top. Phew. There's a lot of I guess we're walking past everybody's houses and their little shops up here. So we're back in the neighborhoods. Break while we're waiting to climb up, continue our climb to the Christo Blanco. You can't tell, but this is a very steep stairway that we're on.
We've been doing climbing since what, 9 o'clock? Oh no, 9:20.
Yeah, I don't know what time we left.
Yeah.
But
this is too much.
Nice steep.
After like 10 stairs, we can just rest.
See, that's level right there. So
because my heart rate is like 170, 171. I got a headache. I got palpitation. Oh boy.
So we take a break about every
10 steps.
10 yards or so.
10.
So let me flip it around so you can see the view from here. The view is very.
Look at that.
Look at that. And we've come up all these stairs here, winding back and forth. But it tells you the elevation that we're at. Pretty high above the city at this point. Now we're coming up to the Blanco Christo Blanco. And next to that, there's rooms for sexy woman. Almost there. We could see it from the plaza last night. The Christo Blanco. So we made it to the Blanco Christo.
Yep.
How was the walk?
Oh, horrible. Oh my goodness. I almost give up because John decided to go all the way here like walking, and it's ridiculous. I was so mad with John. It's just only $20 soles going from our place to here, but we walk almost 2 miles, and I don't mind walking 2 miles, but the stair is very steep. Gee.
And the elevation?
And that elevation, every like 10 yards, we have to stop because my heart rate is like 75.
175.
Oh, 175. Yeah, 175.
75 is really good. 175
But
is
we made it, and we love all this view. Look at the view. Look at all the way down there. We climb all the way up here.
Yep. So you can see Cusco down there.
Yeah, Cusco.
Behind us, back there. There's a plaza.
Yeah.
Down there in the middle. Using my right there. Magic pointer. If I can get it right there. No hotels.
Yeah.
Over here somewhere.
They should have. And then
we made it.
look at this. Look at this.
There you go.
Nice.
The Blanco Christo.
Blanco Christo is beautiful.
And then if we go, we can actually see a lot of people behind us, but there's that way. Ooh, fireworks. They've been setting off fireworks all night, every half hour,
every half an hour. I don't know what's going on. We don't know.
But we get from up here, we can hear the band playing down there in the Plaza de Armas.
That's really good.
And then we have
we made it.
And so we're going to walk past, go through Sexy Woman on our way back.
Yep.
That's our plan. But I'm proud of you. You made up.
I know.
Kicking and screaming,
but
you made it.
Oh my God, I almost.
She was mad at me the whole way
here. I'm so
here.
mad all the way. I said, honey, 20 soles, come on. But you know what? It's worth it. It looked like you sacrificed for Jesus.
That's right. Okay, so Blanco Christo is behind us. If we turn around and go this way, I don't know if you can see it, but Sexy Woman is behind us over here. So, short walk between the two. So they're very close together.